bịanụ ka unu nụrụ ife gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo gwara ndị Onitsha Main Market faji wee kweta na fayada emepezi afịa every Monday. Chari nwa Mgbafọ na ebe a wee na-akọwa nọ maka Nnamdi Kanu ka eji eme sit at home na iruo na Abia steeti bụkwa n'obodo be Nnamdi Kanu na enweghị ife dịka sit at home na every Monday na onye ọbụla na-apụ apụ na-azụ afịa na si kedu ka o ya esizi bụrụ abịa na Anambra steeti ọ bụrụzie fanwa ya ebukwanụ nya bụ ife n'isi wee nọrụkwa ebe a wee na-agwa ndị Onitsha Main Market na ya jikwa na atụmatụ na-abụ wee bịa unu mana m eweta bugoro unu nya bụ akọ wee gwa unu na Chari nwa Mgbafọ na ndị Onitsha Main Market na ndị isi afịa nọgasị na Anambra steeti na fancha nwere nzukọ n'ebe a ka Chari nwa Mgbafọ nọ wee gwa ndị Onitsha Main Market na ya ji atụmatụ na-abụ na faghara ofu na nke izizi bụ na ya chọrọ ịkụkpọsị Main Market Onitsha ka ọ lụgharịa ya na ụdị marụ mma na fanye ya 2 years ka ọ wee lụgharịa ya. Ọ vidio ya ka ị na-afọ ife akịta anụnwa ntu ọ chọrọ ka Onitsha Main Market si wee dị na ọ bụrụ na ọ lụgharịa ya na ya ma ka ndị na-azụ afịa ebe ahụ si eku ume na ọ bụrụ na ọkụ gbaba na ya ma ka fa ya esi wee gbafere. Nke ịbụ ọ bụrụ na fa achọghọ ka ọ lụgharịa ya na ka o dozigharịa ya na ụdị marụ mma na fa ji echiche ka fa chiyata gwakwana ya ife fachọ ọnya ka fa chiyatazila azụ o wee bụ na onye isi afịa n'afọ maka Onitsha Main Market a na-akpọ Chijioke Ọkpara Ugo bụ ife gwaziri gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo nwa Mgbafọ na ya dozigharịa Onitsha Main Market ka ọ dịkwanụ mma kama na ya nyekwanụ ndị na-azụ afịa n'ilo obere oge ka fa wee bukọrọ ngwongwo fa wee jee na anọda location ka ọ ghara ịbụ na abịara kurisiba ngwa afịa ndị mmadụ na Johnson Street ka fa kwuchara nya bụ ife ka Chari nwa Mgbafọ si na nke bụ eziokwu bụ na mgbanwe ọbụla ya amịtakwa n'ezigbota mkpụrụ na nya bụ ife na-adakwa na-afịa ahụ na ọ bụghọkwa na ife na-atọ ụtọ na ya makwanụ na ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike emechaa anya bụ ife na ụlọ afịa fa ama ndozikwana ya mana ife a na-ekwukwa n'ife a bụ iweta ọganilu o wee sị na kemgbe alụchara Main Market na enwebekwanụ ka esi wee dozigharịa ya o wee sị na ndị na-anọ n'ụlọ maka sit at home na nya bụ ife na-ebuchi yakwa na ekọnọmi Anambra steeti azụ na sinsi a nọbalụ n'ụlọ na ife agbakọtagoro ebu 260 something days ka agbakọtagoro n'evri Monday anọ na sit at home. Chari nwa Mgbafọ wee na-akọwa na bifo na ịbịa na Onitsha Main Market na ihe afọ ebe paakịrị moto kama na ịbịa na nke ikpeazụ a na ihe afọ dụrụ ụzọ isi wee gaa na ọ bụrụ na fanye ya ohere na ọ ya alụsapụ ya o buo ibu maa mma. Chari nwa Mgbafọ nọkwa ebe a wee na-ekwu na ọ chụpụrụ onwe ya n'ụgbọ asịkwana na ụgbọelu hie bụkwa na imepe ha chọpụ analụkwa ọnya na ga-ebekwa n'anya m anya m ka hapụ unu ka unu gee ife o kwuru.
Some people say it is linked to Nnamdi Kanu. Absolute nonsense. It has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. And I can say that with every force and every authority, without any fear of contradiction. I am the one, thank God I'm still alive. I am the one who led Igbo leaders, about 13 of us, including part of Main and so on and so forth. I never met Nnamdi Kanu in my life before. But about 2016 or 2017, I can't remember which one again. There was a hue and cry that somebody was detained against what other country. I'm the one that led prominent Igbos to Kuje. And there, part of what we discussed there was we offered our own views on anti-violence. Oh, come out. I addressed the international press conference calling for his release. I called for the international press conference calling for his release, and subsequently he was released. Again, I became governor, and the first governor on record to have gone to the DSS custody. That was May 13th, 2022. I assumed office in March 17th. Less than 2 months I visited him in DSS custody. That was when this sit at home thing was raging. And I confronted him with the fact that several criminal elements were killing innocent Igbos for going about their lawful business on Monday. enforcing the very criminal sit-at-home order. I confronted him with it, and his exact word in response was that it was an abomination for anybody to go to kill others or maim others trying to force sit-at-home. This was, he said to me, not to when I was the one that he said, let's went there. And following that, he gave an order. You must have seen the video circulating. If you haven't seen it, I'll play it for you to listen to. His lawyer, a lawyer, addressed a press conference and said he was speaking on the authority with the handwritten order by Anambra, condemning and abolishing the sit-at-home thing. If you haven't seen it, how many have seen it? Only very few of you have seen it. We will circulate it, and you will see the lawyer speaking on his behalf. His lawyer, a lawyer, on the 23rd of July, 2023, 2 months after I visited him, saying that there was no such thing, and giving order to Simon Ekpa to desist from enforcing sit-at-home. This was a press conference in July 2023, after I visited him, 2 months after I visited him, and he said the same thing to me. And in any case, if anybody is saying that they sit at home, and therefore I believe him, and IPOB issued many statements then that they were not the ones that asked for sit at home. And I believe them. I want to believe them. Because if it is not true, if it is about Nnamdi Kanu or whatever, why is it the last time, at least to the best of my knowledge, Nnamdi Kanu is from Umuahia? Why is it that there is no sit-at-home in Umuahia? Why? There is no sit-at-home there. Because he did not, and I want to believe, except he changed his mind of late, he did not, still does not support the sit-at-home. That's why it doesn't happen in Umuahia, his hometown. Then why Onitsha? Why Nnewi? Why? For our schools must remain open everywhere. And our markets. And markets. Because Anambra dominated by markets. That the markets must be open. And that any market that fails to do so, we're going to shut it down. On Monday, I drove all the markets here in Onitsha and everywhere. I was driving down, all the roads busy, until I got to Onitsha. Even through Onitsha, as I was driving, street trading everywhere. Before we got to Main Market, along the old market road, about 1 kilometer, the entire road was blocked. People were selling on the road. They would have to stop to clear our way for us to drive through to a place. And we finally got to Main Market. And by the way, as we were driving, we were seeing people jogging. Along Oka Road. The streets were full. Everybody, people were moving around everywhere. Then we got to Main Market, the shops were locked. During the Christmas season, the market was open. The markets were open Sunday. In fact, I would even say some people Sunday. Monday, everybody was open. I'm not going to again. So now it's locked. And that's why we shut down the market for a week. Only 1 week. Since 2021, you have closed that market, and the many markets have been closed for more than 260 days. Every Monday, to make my fourth visit to the market. Since I became governor, that visit last Monday, this week, was my fourth visit to that place. Some of that I just come and pass. But when I mean visit, was coming there, standing in the place, thinking through what do we do. Because I know, we've done the studies and the numbers and have all the studies that have shown me that Main Market is no longer what it was designed to be. Isioji and Peter Sigo Evelyn and the Ojama, our founding fathers, designed on Main Market to be. And that Main Market has literally died. If you abandon on the mafia, more capacity to capacity to many members. Bafanya kido shop. Somebody in there the lines. Now you get it to manage the achaiba. How do we survive? No. And that's the headline that the commerce were lying. But because my market literally died, and many markets around us are dying, that's why you cross the river and you see a lot of the people, even on the way to Anambra market, crossing the river to go and build better things out there. And people now can drive across the river to go over there. It's only a question of time before the place dies. Main Market, growing up, as a young boy, I was going to go there, I was passing through there. You go there and you'll be at right street at the Obodo Ibo. The other, one of the times I stopped by, the whole of Johnson leaders here, Madam. The TT local as a boss. Fight for our homeland to be livable and prosperous. Join us in the fight. I make our homeland and Igbo livable and again prosperous. And this is another thing, you heard me say it at Independence Day. Agwamono, Agwamondebai, and we take it at least. ML advertise for police force. Anambra has about the lowest thing, followed by Ebonyi. In the whole Nigeria, I am Abia. Come appoint new DIGs and the new Eva. I bear wherefore I marginalize the Andibo. 1,000 something will apply from Anambra. Some states were 30 something thousand. Are we getting something? You may advertise all the armed forces, the army, the Bayan. I say about Echi. Before the war, the buy Malia, the buy non Ibanina. But I know Gamel if I walk or will I go and see. take it over. Ojukwu, no then na commander iva na Kano, and so on and so forth. But we began to go down. Ọ chụkwara onwe ya n'ụgbọ, asịkwara na ụgbọ elu tere ya.